So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab, and if you're new to this channel, to like the video and just subscribe the channel. So once the lab is started, we have to just open the Cloud Console in incognito window. Right click over here and open incognito window. Make sure any existing window, if it is open, just close it. Now just wait for the console to open. Here you may be prompted to click on I understand. So simply click on I understand like this. Now here simply click on I agree and continue, and click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. Also remove this unwanted pop-up. Here we have to click on continue and then just authorize ourselves. Now I will increase the text size, and for other remaining solutions you can refer to the playlist of the channel. Now finally the text size is large. Now let's come to the lab instruction. So first of all, we have to create a virtual machine. Before that, we need to configure our environment. So first of all, come over here in task number 1 and set the region. After that, we'll set the zone. So I ran first and this command. Okay. After that, what we need to do, we have to export the values, export the zone. First, we exported the project ID. Now we are exporting the zone. And now we'll be creating the VM instance. Now here our VM instance will be created. Now scroll down a bit and try to check the score. So actually it's being created. If you want to view the VM instance, you can come over here and just click on Compute Engine and click on the VM instance to view. There you can see it's creating and here it's finally running. Now you can check the score. You'll get the score without any issue. Now just scroll down a bit. Okay, come to task number 4. From here, what we need to do, we have to just run this command over here. So finally our instance has been updated. Now it's asking to update the firewall rule also. So let's update it. It will take few seconds and finally it is also updated. Now you can see we completed this lab very easily. Here we created a VM instance, added firewall rules to it and added tags to it. So do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.